In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page kit for Clickbank. We're going to walk through a simple but powerful setup that captures emails and then sends people straight to your Clickbank offer, which is exactly what you want for quick conversions. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused landing page that's ready to start collecting leads and driving sales. First, let's start by selecting a template. Inside your email or funnel platform, go to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. From there, click on Create New, and then select Landing Page. You'll see a gallery of templates. For affiliate offers, especially Clickbank products, choose something clean and direct. Templates similar to Lincoln or Siesta usually work very well for high conversion offers because they keep the visitor focused on your main message and call to action. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. Just pick a solid starting point that looks professional and is easy to read. Next, we'll configure the success redirect, and this part is crucial for Clickbank. The goal is simple. As soon as someone enters their email, they should be taken immediately to your Clickbank affiliate offer. In the page editor, look over to the right-hand sidebar and click on Settings. Under the General section, find the option that asks what should happen after a visitor subscribes. Instead of leaving it on a default thank you page, switch it to redirect to an external page. In the URL field that appears, paste your Clickbank hop link, which you generated inside the Clickbank marketplace for the product you're promoting. Double-check that the link is correct, then click Save. This ensures every new lead is automatically forwarded straight to the sales page, while you still capture their email on your end. Now let's design the page for conversions. Start with your headline. Make it all about the result the Clickbank product delivers, not just the features. For example, instead of describing the product, you might say something like, the 5-minute morning routine for rapid fat loss. The idea is to promise a clear, specific outcome your audience cares about. Next, update your call to action button. Change the default text from something generic like subscribe to a more compelling phrase such as get instant access or watch the video now. This small tweak can significantly increase clicks. Finally, add a strong image. Use a high-quality product shot or a visual that represents the main benefit, like a transformation or lifestyle image that matches the offer. Keep everything simple, focused, and aligned with the promise in your headline, and your landing page kit for Clickbank will be ready to go.